most trying day ever. Like, it's like 7:30 right now. Well, it's actually 7:20. But today was like the most tiring day ever. Bro, like, literally. Like, today, we're celebrating Valentine's Day and doing our Valentine's Day box. And we have to eat today. And my friend was running around the whole entire playground trying to find someone. Okay? It was just a tiring day. And my wrist hurt so bad because we had to write in math. Like, we're supposed to do math because it's math class. Like, you know? Like, it's not writing class. So we just had to write a lot. Like, today was intense. I literally just went upstairs right after I ate dinner, grabbed my headphones, jumped into bed. I didn't even change my shirt because I'm so tired. Literally. But it's okay because my dad said, but it's okay. Because my dad said never getting crumble. So, guys, comment down below what your favorite cookie from crumble. Like, actually. So I can maybe try it. But my brother's literally listening to Bad Bunny while he's literally about to take a shower. I can already hear him singing, bro. Okay, that's enough. But yeah, and I really have to plug these lights in because they always fall down. Okay, but yeah. Oh yeah, I have a tortilla blanket. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm really just like laying in bed there, like laying in bed. I don't know what's on my TV or crap. Oh, cute, like I lost my brother's remote because I hated my remote so much. We literally had to put our arm out like this, pointing to the TV right there. Right there. Okay? Right, it was so annoying. And my brother's remote doesn't have to, you kind of just have to like point it at the TV a little bit, but you can still click it from like afar. So I lost the remote and now I have to use, there's a Roku app because I have the Roku TV. So now I have to, I downloaded the app and now I have to use my phone. So yeah. Yeah, just so tired though. I don't really have that energy. Yeah. Comment down below what your favorite cookie from crumble. So maybe I can try it. My favorite cookie from crumble is one of their caramel ones. It's the Oreo one. Oh my god, it's good. I love it so much.